the bravest general in the country, when his province was burning, he went on leave. November 2021, the KZN riots. The man disappeared. When SAPS needed him, when the country needed him, he wasn't a brave general. When Mkhwanazi says in portfolio that my issue against his friend Khumalo is an HR issue, understand he makes this allegation as if he's seen the docket. Remember, the docket is classified. By his own admission, he doesn't have top security clearance. Let me discredit Mkhwanazi for you. KZN is the worst performing province out of 9. If you want discreditation, I can play as petty and as personal as he wants to. Remember, he was a major general for 2 months. He was promoted to lieutenant general 2 months later. He became acting national commissioner 2 weeks later. This is the epitome of a politicized policeman. This man feels okay with us spending R500 million investigating 58 murders in KZN. He doesn't say anything about the anti-gang unit dealing with 3,000 murders in the Cape Platform.